The demand for unified digital automation platform, if 2020 has taught us anything during this critical time, it is that the enterprises need to respond fast to changing this market condition. The startup industry has been grown. Many people can see the future for the economy in the startup field. The industry is booming rapidly. India is catching this US trend of startup businesses, and the rapid application development will help the organization with operational agility. Enterprises with enable this citizen development with low code platform, allowing those IT development team to spend time on some important and more complex mission critical tasks. There will be a growing demand for unified digital automation that can help organization bridge for the emergence of hybrid operating model, and with organization blending those remote and in-person operations to create a functional digital workspace. Additionally, this organization will offer hyper automation by implementing those technologies like AI, business process management to bring context and intelligence into their processes. Consider the banking. For instance, video KYC will eliminate the need of physical meeting that's required for the KYC, for the biometric authentications. The chatbot that will facilitate those state through processing for the common banking requirement. 2021 will see an increased focus on those cyber security and data encryptions. The business leaders must leverage those technologies such as cloud and software as a service platform for maintain privacy and data security. Blockchain's distributed ledger technology will also be instrumental to ensure the security and transparency, and into 2021 and beyond, solving for the customer experience and their journey will be a competitive differentiations. Intelligence automation will be a key role, the platform that centers old quest of businesses to bring down the operational cost, that can be able to accurately predict the future is about to come true, and intelligent automation is here and it's ready to turn the quest into reality. The recent KPMG study that found that 30% of the enterprises survey was already investing upward of $50 million in AI technologies. Those investments will show the fast result. The reason is that is the key ingredient for a successful intelligent automation platform is converging, and IoT is finding some massive adoptions, and that leading to an explosion of real-time data, while advanced computational techniques that can manage these huge volumes of data that assisted by artificial intelligence. It is a gain of artificial intelligence. It's the advantage of artificial intelligence and machine learning with the collaborative advantages, collaborative platform dependency that will drive these current computational techniques, and this key to scale those automation in intelligence way to an enterprise level by establishing those model that assist in infusing the technology into the platform of customer engagement, personalization and manufacturing executions to impact the experiences, efficiency and effectiveness. The process-centric view of AI and also the intelligence automation will be center stage in 2021 because bringing down the cost and improving the efficiency remains all important factor. So these enterprises that are building the people-centric view of the IA is a big to amplify the human potential. These enterprises will create a hybrid workforce, humans collaborating with the boards forever, altering those employee engagement, productivity, and business resilience. 2020 has been a challenging for the business and customer also. This experienced team across the globe had to rapidly adopt and customer market volatility and increased uncertainty. The world moves forward as a week, 1 week at a time. The global service request eventually have stabilized and new expectation and trends began to set. The people-centric technology is also a transformation in the traditional work model that are generated, that are used for this technology, that are in the drive for this new cutting edge platform for the work spaces and to model to flexible one that took place at a scale nobody would have ever imagined a few 1-2 years back. Couple of years has changed this platform drastically, and this is just a beginning of a digital transformation, a digital disruptive situation, or the transformation in digital platform. The journey enterprises could have had to undertake those sooner than later. Going in 2021st, even once people go back to offices, enterprises will look to prioritize more people-centric technologies. And once the real work cannot done outside the office, it will much needed overhaul into more employees-friendly policies, given the positive impact it can have on overall employee engagement and productivity. Companies will look to leverage a digital workspace and collaborative technologies at a much larger scale than ever before. The digital trust will also empower the business to self-serve and deliver the solution more quicker through this IT platform, through this IT enabling services, and the data analytics will play a major role in transforming those customer experience, the value of which is depend on how the data are fed, how the data is achieved, how the data is manipulated, how the data is utilized, and how the data is transformed for the people. And the major lesson will take from 2020 into the next, that will be the every business needs to also be a digital business, the future of which will be automated and autonomous. With the underlying computational model getting better, digital twins will be used to make those medicine more precise and personalized. Patients model and the virtual representation of those patient physical bodies, shape and structure will be used to enhance the procedure planning to improve the patient's experience. Organ models which simulate the structures, mechanics and function of organ will be used to virtually evaluate the therapy option. This disease model, which represents some or all of the pathological process observed in an actual disease, so that will be used to treat the condition better. And predictive model, which can predict the outcomes, will be used to diagnose those conditions, and digital twin will be used for the healthcare enterprise to enhance the streamlined processes. That's all the technical trend we can see. We can hope to be serve the society, serve the nation. Many social media platforms also keen to change these changes in this technical platform. The technical advancement will help to boost the economy in future. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.